Alright, this is page 11. These are word problems that deal with rectangular prisms and cylinders. Some are volume, some are surface area. So we got to dig out what's inside here and figure out which one it's asking for. Okay, so let's look at the first one. It says that a round swimming pool has a diameter of 15 feet and is 6 feet tall. How much water will the pool hold? It's a key word there. Round swimming pool. So let's figure out what we're dealing with. Diameter of 15, 6 feet tall. So all those are things that we need. So let's look at this real quick. When it says hold right here, we know that we're talking about volume. And up top, it pretty much gave it away that a round swimming pool is going to be a cylinder. Okay, cool. Well, here's what we have. The first thing that I would do is try to find the formula. Volume equals pi r squared h. Okay, and we'll use Desmos to solve this. Let's just figure out what our r and our h is. If we have a diameter of 15, we know that radius is going to be half of that, which is 7.5. And then we know our h is equal to 6, because it says 6 feet tall. So let's go to Desmos real quick. Pop this in. And remember, when we have pi, we're going to do parentheses of 3.14. So I'm going to go parentheses 3.14. Close it up. R, and I'm going to square my R and my H, and then I'm good. All I got to do is pop in my R, which equals, what is the R? 7.5. And then my H equals 6. And there we go, 1059.75. So this, let me scroll down so my pen don't jump. 1059.75, and this is feet, and since it's volume, it's cubed. Okay, good. Slide over to 2. This one says Donnie wanted to build a rectangular sandbox with a lid. He wanted to build the sandbox with a length of 5 feet, width of 3 feet, height of 2 feet. How much wood does he need? So let's think about what they're asking for. First of all, we know we got a rectangular prism, and it's asking how much wood, so that's going to cover the outside of the sandbox, the top, the bottom, and the outside edges all the way around, so that's going to be surface area. Okay, and we know that that is 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. And here are all our measurements. We got 5, 3, and 2. It doesn't matter which order we put those in either. Let's go to Desmos real quick. Bam, I'm going to clear all. 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. Enter. L equals 5. Enter. W equals 3. Enter. H equals 2. There it is. 62 feet squared. So how much does he need? Let me scroll down. 62 square feet or 62 feet squared, either way. Okay, number 3, soup can. Should already know we're talking about a cylinder. Okay, soup can has a diameter of 8 centimeters and a height of 10.5 centimeters. How much metal is needed to make the can? Okay, if we're talking about metal here, we're looking for surface area, which is going to take top, bottom, and outside. And this is a cylinder. I'll just abbreviate it. So we got surface area of a cylinder for number 3. I think that is, double check on your formula sheet, but it should be 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi times the radius times height. Okay. And up here is our diameter, so we need to change that to a radius, which would be half of it, so our radius is 4, and there's our height of 10.5. Alright, let's go to Desmos to throw all this in. My formula first, okay? Surface area of a cylinder, let's go 2 times 3.14 r squared plus 2 times 3.14 RH. Okay? Let's hit enter. We said that the radius was 4. And my height was 10.5. There it is, 364.24. And that is centimeters, and since it's surface area, it'll be squared. Okay. All right, let's look at 4. 4 says a cylindrical canister, so we know it's a cylinder. Okay. Has of a fire extinguisher, has a radius for good. We don't have to change it. Right there's our radius, and is 12 inches high. So our H is 12. Cool. How many cubic inches can it hold? Cubic gives it away really, but hold, we know we're looking at volume of a cylinder. What kind of formula is that? Volume equals pi r squared h. That's a pretty easy one. Right there's our r and there's our h. Let's go ahead and pop that over in Desmos. Pi r squared h. Cool. Let's put our pi in. 3.14 r squared h. Okay, all we need is our r, which in this one it's 4, and our h is equal to 12. There it is, 602.88. And that is inches, and since it's volume, it's cubed, or you could write it as cubic inches. Okay? Oh, there goes the clock again. Number 5. Thelma and David built a rectangular recycling bin. So we're talking about a prism, rectangular prism. 6 feet wide, 12 feet long, 14 feet high. How many cubic, right there, it gives it away. Cubic feet, because volume is the only thing in cubic feet, the surface area is in square feet, of trash can fit, another word again, inside of the bin. So we're looking for volume of a rectangular prism, which is, that's the easy one, isn't it? Just length times width times height. Okay. And all our measurements are up there. Let's go ahead and pop that in Desmos real quick. LWH. Bam. L equals 12, I think. W is 6. And H is 14. What is it? 1008. and that is feet. Since it's volume, it's cubed. Cubic feet or feet cubed. Okay. Number 6 is a little tougher. Throws a little wrench in our spokes, but we can get through this one. Just follow me with it. Adam's building a rectangular, so we know we got a rectangular prism planner without a top. You might want to circle this part. Okay. The planner is 7 inches wide, 16 inches long, 10 inches high. Okay. No biggie there. How much wood is needed to make the bottom and sides of the planner? So this is surface area, okay? Surface area without a top. So let's just go ahead and figure out the entire surface area of this rectangular prism first. Then we'll just subtract the dimensions of the top from it, okay? So let's go ahead and go to Desmos. We'll pop our dimensions in there and our formula. So this is surface area, rectangular prism. We got 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. And we need an L equals, let's go 16. W equals 7 and H equals 10. So the whole surface area, excuse me, is 684 inches squared. So let's go ahead and put that down right over here. 684 inches squared. That's surface area for the whole thing. So let's think about this. If it's missing the lid, that's nothing more than the length times the width. And then we can subtract that. So if we replace the length with 16 and the width with, 7, we multiply those two, that gives us 112 inches squared. And so all we gotta do is just take the lid part away from what our total surface area was. Okay, 684 minus 112. You can pop that in Desmos or your handy dandy calculator, whichever way. You end up with 572 inches squared, and that is without the lid, so we'll pop that right here. Okay, pen's about to go out. Good deal. There's page 11. If any questions on that, just let me know. Zoom classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays, you can ask there, or social media of any kind. I'll post these videos, plus there's some keys on the web page if you want to go look at the handwritten work and those sort of things. So, all right, see you next time.